Jatend Kenya William Ruto singo ne jo Kenya ni en kod winjruok maber gi kanisa ma pacho ka kendo obiro dhi nyime gi jiwo winjruok makamano. Ruto go debe ne chenro mag sirikande ka okwo thuolo mar chopo kare lek ma en go ne piny Kenya. Kutere gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja, jotelo go opuo chenro kaka mar thieth mar SHIF e kind mamoko. Ruto loso kano limo kar dak ma Soweto e kaunti ma Nairobi e lamo mar Jumapil.
Mumesema watu wengi wananisukuma sana, wewe fanya, lazima ufanye hii, lazima ufanye hivi. Na hiyo mimi nakubali kwa sababu hii Kenya lazima itabadilika. And I am determined to change this country. By the grace of God, this country is not going to remain the same. By the grace of God, this country is not going to remain the same. So I have no doubt in my mind that Kenya is going to change, that we are going to deliver on food security, that we are going to deliver on affordable housing, that we are going to deliver on universal health, and that we are going to make sure all our children go to school. I have no doubt in my mind. It's going to happen in our lifetime. It is going to happen because we are determined to do so. Mambo ya hapa katikati ni mambo tu ya kawaida. Mambo ya kawaida. Kazi yangu ingine ni kuunganisha Wakenya wote.